Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share creative videos focused on paper art, design, and more. But today, I want to talk about something slightly different. Something that can help all of us unlock more creativity and focus in 2025. It's about how to limit our phone usage by deleting unnecessary apps and increasing productivity. Our phones are powerful tools, but they are also one of the biggest reasons we lose time and creativity. In this video, I'll show you how to declutter your phone, delete unnecessary apps, and create more space for creativity and focus. Have you ever sat down to work on something creative? A painting, a craft, or even just brainstorming ideas, and suddenly your phone pings and you are distracted for next 30 minutes. It happens to the best of us. It happened a lot many times to me also. So whenever the notification comes, I think about okay, checking it. I was like, okay, should I check it or not? So sometimes most of the time I just go and check it quickly and just keep it back. But it's a distraction. Let me know in the comments how often do you get distracted by your phone while working on something creative. Our creativity thrives in moments of focus. By reducing unnecessary phone use, we free up mental space to let our imaginations grow. Let's start with the big one, social media. Apps like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat are fun, but they can also drain hours of your time. And the more time we spend scrolling, the less time we have for things that truly spark creativity. Keep apps used for work, like Instagram if you are sharing creative projects, or you can even use meta business apps, which allows you to share the projects uh, directly to Instagram, Facebook, both, even the stories through this app. In the I think it's called business suite that usually I schedule and post the videos, or YouTube Studio for managing your content if you are a creator. But for everything else, set time limits and even delete the app if you can. Focus on creating content, not consuming. Does social media inspire you or distract you? Let me know your thoughts. Social media should fuel your creativity, not block it. Games are a great way to relax, but let's be honest, they can also become very addictive. The time we spend trying to beat a level could be time spent sketching, writing, and working on a craft. Try replacing mobile games with apps which inspire your creativity or challenge your brain. For example, I use apps like Limosity for brain training or Procreate to sketch out paper art ideas. Now let's talk about notifications. Notifications are one of the biggest culprits when it comes to killing creativity. You are in the zone, working on something amazing, and ping, a notification pulls you out of it. Turn off non essential notifications and give yourself uninterrupted time to focus on your projects. Shopping and streaming apps are sneaky. They seem harmless, but they can quickly take up hours of your time that could be spent on a creative hobby. Instead of binge watching, use that time to experiment with a new craft or start a project you have been putting off. And as for shopping, stick to what you need. It'll save your time and money. What creative projects would you work on if you had an extra hour each day? When we clear out clutter, when it's physical clutter in our workspace or digital clutter in our phones, we make room for creative ideas to flourish. My advice is go through your phone, delete apps you don't use or that don't add value to your life. Replace them with your tool that inspire you, like note taking apps, design tools, or even a simple timer to keep you focused. Think about it. When was the last time you came up with your best creative idea? It's probably wasn't while scrolling through your phone. Creativity comes when we give ourselves time to think and experiment, or be just bored sometimes. By limiting phone use, you are giving your brain the space it needs to create something amazing. I would love to hear from you. Do you want to see more videos like this about productivity? Let me know in the comments. And if you're already decided which app you're deleting first, tell me about it. And that's it. My guide to limiting smartphone use to boost your productivity and creativity in 2025. Remember, it's not just about deleting apps, it's about creating space for what really matters. Whether you're an artist, a crafter, or just someone looking to focus more, this small step can make a big difference. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need a little more inspiration, who keeps checking on their phone and who needs it, and subscribe for more creative content. Let's make 2025 the year we all create something amazing.